Good morning everyone. Today we'll start addition of binary numbers. So addition in binary numbers is similar to the decimal addition only. But in binary we have only two bits, 0 and 1. So all the rules will revolve around these two bits only. So like we will add 0 with 0, we will add 0 with 1 or 1 with 1. So all the rules will revolve around these two bits only. See, the first rule is whenever we add a 0 with 0, it always gives 0. In decimal addition also, in binary addition also. Whenever we add a 0 with 1, the result is always 1, both in binary and decimal. See, 0 plus 1 is also 0 and 1 plus 0 is also, 0 plus 1 is also 1 and 1 plus 0 is also 1. Whenever we add two ones together, so in decimal, when we add two ones, what is the result? The result is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 is represented by 1 0 in binary. So the result here is 1 0. So whenever we add 1 plus 1, the result is always 1 0 in binary addition. Similarly, the rule 4 say whenever we add three numbers, 1 plus 1 plus 1, in decimal the result is 3, but the binary equivalent is 11. 3 is written as 1 1 in binary. So 1 plus 1 is always 1 1 in binary form. This is not 10, this is not 11, this is binary format. So we'll call it 1 0 or 1 1. This is not 10 and 11. Now see, the rule says whenever the result is greater than 1, see here, the result is greater than 1 and here also greater than 1. What we'll do, we must carry a 1 to the next digit. So we'll carry a 1 to the next digit. See, in this case, what we'll do, we'll keep the 0 here and carry this 1 to the next term. Similarly, in this case, we'll keep this 1 here and carry this 1 to the next term. Now let's understand this with the examples. This is the very basic example. The first example is very basic. Let's understand. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1 and 0 plus 1 is 1. This is the required answer. This was a very basic example. Now second example, see. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1. See, 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So what we'll do? We'll keep the 0 here and carry the 1 to the next term. So 1 plus 1, we'll keep the 0 here and 1 will be carried here. Now 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is 1 only. Okay? No matter how many zeros we are adding with a single one, the answer will be always 1. So 1 plus 2 zeros or 3 zeros or 4 zeros, the answer will be always 1. Now 0 plus 1, again 1. This is the required answer. Now let's see another example. See, 0 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1. What we'll do? We'll keep the 0 and carry the 1. So 0 here and carry is 1. Now 3 ones we are adding. When we add 3 ones, what is the required answer? 1 1. So we'll keep this 1 and carry this 1 to the next term. So what we'll do? 3 ones are 1 and the other one is carried over here. Now we have 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is, sum is 0 and carry is here. And now we'll keep the carry simply here. This is the required answer. So we can compile these rules into a table. See, what we are doing, if we'll add only zeros, the sum is also 0 and carry is also 0. If we'll add a single bit 1 with any number of zeros, if we have single 1, the sum is always 1 and carry is 0. Single 1, sum is 1 and carry is 0. When we are adding two ones together, no matter how many zeros we have, two ones, the sum is always 0 and carry is 1. See, two ones, sum we are taking 0 and this one is being carried over the other term. So what we can say, two ones when added, the sum is 0 and carry is 1. When we have three ones together, the sum is also 1 and carry is also 1. This is the easy way for doing calculation. Now see the examples. Suppose we have these two terms, we have to add them. Now see, two ones, whenever we are adding two ones, the sum is 0 and carry is 1. Whenever we are taking two ones, the sum is 0 and carry is 1. So two ones, sum is 0, carry 1. Again we have two ones, sum is 0 and carry is 1. Three ones, when we have three ones, then sum is also 1 and carry is also 1. So we have 3 ones, we have taken the sum 1 and carry we have kept here. Again 3 ones, sum here 1 and carry 1, and this one we have kept it here. Now this is the required answer. Let's understand the second example. See, again we have 2 ones, 1 plus 1, 2 ones, the sum is 0 and carry is 1. Here we have a carry 1, so 1 plus 1. Again we have 2 ones, sum is 0, carry 1. 1 here, 1 plus 1. Again we have 2 ones, sum is 0 and carry 1. Single 1 plus any number of zeros is always 1. Now see, next example, we have to add two decimal numbers together but in binary form. We have to add this 85 with 181 but in binary form. So what we will do, first we will convert this 85 and 181 into binary form. Fine. So we'll show the decimal addition also and binary addition also. Decimal addition will do, and we'll add the answer 266, and now the binary addition. First convert 85 into binary form and 181 also into binary. Now we'll start adding. See, 1 plus 1. 2 ones we have, sum is 0, carry is 1. Single 1 we have, so sum is 1 and carry is 0. 2 ones we have, sum is 0 and carry is 1. Single 1, sum is 0, carry, sorry, sum is 1 and carry 0. 2 ones we have, sum is 0 and carry 1. Again we have 2 ones, sum is 0, again carry 1. Again 2 1, sum is 0 and carry 1. Again we have 2 1, sum 0 and carry 1. We have kept it here. This is the required sum of these two numbers. Now if we have a decimal point, so what we'll do, we'll write it in the same way we write in decimal numbers. Point below the point. See, here we don't have any number, we'll assume a 0 here. So what we'll do, 1 plus 0, single 1, so sum is 1. 2 ones are added, 2 ones, sum is 0 and carry 1. Single 1 plus 0, sum is 1 and there is no carry. We'll put the decimal point again, 2 1, sum is 0, carry 1. 3 ones, sum is also 1 and carry is also 1. Single 1, sum is 1 and 1 plus 0 is 1. So this is the required answer. Now I'm giving you some examples, sorry, some questions. Solve it in your notebook. That's it for today. Thank you.